Hello everybody, welcome to yours and only yours channel Medic Nexus. In our today's video, we're gonna learn about what is NEET exam, what is its eligibility criteria, and what is admission procedure after giving NEET examination. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. So NEET is basically National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, which is taken by an organization known as NTA, that is National Testing Agency. NEET is basically a paper of 180 questions of 720 marks. These 180 questions are asked from physics section, chemistry section, biology section from the syllabus of 11th plus 12th class. Next thing is after giving NEET examination, you can take admission in DCI approved government plus private dental colleges plus MCI approved uh, MBBS, BHMS, BUMS courses in both private plus government colleges. Next, let us see what is eligibility criteria for NEET. First thing is you have to pass 12th class from a specific board with 50% aggregate marks. Next thing is age limit. Your minimum age limit should be 17 years of age and maximum age limit is not decided by NTA itself. It means if you are 20 years, 28 years of age, 30 years of age, 50 years of age, then you can appear for NEET as well. Next thing is attempt limit. NEET hasn't attempted the limit of NEET, so you can appear as many times as you want. So next, let us see admission procedure after NEET examination. If you want to take admission in BDS, BHMS, BUMS courses, then for government colleges, your marks range would be from 450 marks to 550 marks out of 720 marks. It all depends, marks ranges and other things all depends upon paper toughness level plus your category, whether you are SC, ST, OBC or general or reserved category. So if you want to take admission for the same course in private colleges, then your marks range should be between 150 to 250, which is basically qualifying marks of NEET examination. Next thing, your admission will surely be based upon your counseling process, your medical fitness test, and after fee payment. Now, let us see admission to MBBS courses after appearing in NEET examination. For MBBS courses in government colleges, your marks range must be between 540 to 600 plus. This marks ranges, however, is variable because it all depends upon number of aspirants giving NEET examinations or toughness level of the paper. Next thing is if you want to take admission in private colleges for the same course, then you have to score uh, 150 to 250 marks only, which is just like qualifying marks of NEET examination. After in the same course, you also have to appear for counseling process, which may be online or offline mode or after fee payment.